Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use arrows in chess.com. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up chess.com and log into your account if you haven't. Or sign up to an account if you don't have one. So just once you're logged in on your account in chess.com, so this is how it's going to look like once you've logged in. So here, so what we're going to do, let's start a game. So for example, let's play a game against the computer. So I'll just choose that. Okay, so now I'm going to start a game with the computer, so you can choose this. All right, okay. And then so once you're about to play, so just a note that arrows are by default enabled in chess.com, so you don't have to do anything to enable the arrows. They are by default enabled, so there's no issues. If you want to use the arrows, so what are you going to do? You're going to, instead of the left click, you're going to do a right click and then just move it, and that's how you can move it to wherever you want. And that's how you can actually use arrows. You just use your right click. All right, so that's how it is. And if you want to delete it, you can just delete it with the left click. So that's pretty much it is. So that's how you can use arrows in chess.com. So I hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.